So you guys from which college? Triple I, right? Can you please share your experience with others so that what made you really come with that idea and how did you really crack it?
Basically, we went through first the ideas that were suggested in the initial write-up over here. Then we saw the market landscape, how things are being done. And suppose there was, we had an idea about GPS tracking as well, and there were a couple of ideas on personal security. And we discussed it with some mentors and got some really valuable feedback. And then we narrowed it down to something which is really able to, which we'll be able to implement it within this time frame, because that was the really important thing. The idea can be something really big and something, but we wanted to finish it and to create something which we can present it in the final run. So I think that's how we got around to it.
That's nice, that's really interesting. So,
Any notes from you guys?
yeah, so again the same question applies to you. What made you come up with this idea and how did you really crack? I seen like yesterday, one good thing about this team I need to say, I was spending time with them in the room, I'm working on my own. These kids were challenging themselves each other last night and they're trying to argue on what to do, what not to do, and morning I think you changed the plan, right? With getting the device, they got a remote car and they're trying to do all these things. So it's really exciting. So can you share like what made you get into that stage?
Actually, this RFID was with us. This idea was with us since a long time back. We actually needed a platform to implement it actually in real life and show out that this can be done. We saw many apps, but for tracking devices, tracking cars and all that. But many didn't really make sense. But we thought RFID would be a good platform to start up. So we thought, why not present it here?
Good. So you can, yeah, thanks. So you can just go and settle. So I request judges and mentors who came yesterday and all, just can you give some inputs like how do you expect them to be prepared for the upcoming things?
No, I think there's though we declared 2 winners. I think I've seen you guys yesterday afternoon, right? And you guys were debating what to do and what not to do, right? Today evening I've seen a lot of you delivered, right? Semi-completed products, right? I mean, which is not easy, right? For coding and delivering something like that, right? Just continue on the same path and don't worry about the winning and losing. It's part of the game, right? So that's the spirit you got to have, right? Couple of things for the winners. I think each team is very complementary. That means one is very good at presentation, right? And the BI and big data and stuff like that, right? How do you present the stuff? Other team was good in a little bit device integration and capturing the data, right? You got to work together to make Srini, and the teams look good when you present, right? I think next couple of days, if you can kind of collaborate with others as well. I mean, there's one more team I've seen which is showing the data, pollution data, right? Which is a team. Okay, that needs honorable mention actually, right? So I think you guys should work together to develop good, concepts to present alongside.
So as you get ready for the 2 winning teams, as you get ready for, okay, as you get ready for the presentation on Tuesday, in real estate they say there's 3 key things: location, location, location. Similarly, in presentations, there's also 3 things: practice, practice, practice. You got to keep practicing your pitches, right? You got to refine it, write it out, write down the key ideas, key concepts. Keep it. What value are you adding? What problem are you solving? How is it that you are going to make their lives better through whatever solution you're presenting? And make sure you practice your pitch in front of the mirror, in front of the crowd, and keep refining it until, I know it's not much time. I think Tuesday is when you'll have to pitch to the British Parliament. So just, work at it the next 24, 48 hours.
Perfect.
It was really great to see all of you guys come together and build the.
Take a load off the back.
Absolutely, some load off. Build the apps in such a short notice. And one thing that I would really encourage you guys to do is, as what all of us have been here telling, is practice, practice, practice. That is really important. And the thing is, make teams such a way that you have different strengths, complementary strengths, right? Because I've seen teams wherein all of you are focused on